Over the years, there have been rumors that Nigerian celebrities are involved in the act of homosexuality. So in this video, I'm not saying that these Nigerian celebrities are actually gay or lesbians. Rather, I'm here to talk about the reasons why the rumors have been speculating that they are involved in homosexual. But before then, if you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. So let's get right into the video.
It's a boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. The boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. Yeah, yeah, nah. Oh, my lover, never leave you lonely. Always stay by your side. Never leave you lonely.
Genevieve Nnaji. Genevieve Nnaji is a Nigerian actor, producer, and director. The rumors of Genevieve Nnaji reportedly being a lesbian started in 2013. The Nollywood actress Genevieve Nnaji was reportedly to be allegedly involved in an affair with Benin Republic actress cum musician Ella Martins. The story of Ella and Genevieve practicing lesbianism was actually broken by an online magazine, and this created a big trend late 2013 and early 2014. According to reports, pictures of Genevieve Nnaji and Ella kissing surfaced online and went viral. In an interview with Vanguard, Ella Martins stated that the rumors affected her, as she became popular in Nigeria after the allegation of lesbianism between her and Genevieve Nnaji. According to Ella, she's just a good friend of Genevieve Nnaji, stressing that she was not having any affair with her as some people believed. Talking about the kiss, this is what Ella had to say, and I quote, "As normal persons and friends, we do take normal pictures at home and in other places. The truth is that we kissed, but it was nothing extraordinary. It was normal kiss between girls. I mean, girls do kiss each other normally. Even guys do too." She also added that it affected her emotional life because everybody believed she was in a relationship with Genevieve Nnaji, with people calling her Genevieve Nnaji's wife, and her family were not happy about that. Also, we all know that Genevieve Nnaji gave birth when she was a teenager. Considering the fact that she's still yet to get married at the age of 40 and not linked to any man to call her fiancé, Nigerians believed there could be possibilities that she's a lesbian. I think these are the things that sparked the rumors that Genevieve Nnaji is a lesbian. Uti Nwachukwu. Uti Nwachukwu is a Nigerian actor and Big Brother African star. Uti competed as a contestant in the Big Brother African Star 5 All-Stars, in which he lasted for 91 days, and ultimately won, in which he defeated Monyo in a vote of 8-7. The rumors of Uti Nwachukwu being gay started when he was friends with Alex Ekubo. As a matter of fact, they were reported to be living together as gay couples that year. Although Uti Nwachukwu admitted they were living together, but gave reason for it, saying that it was too expensive to afford house then, so they both teamed up to get one in order to make rent more affordable. But Nigerians, naturally stubborn, still believe that they were living together gay couples, owing to the fact that neither Uti Nwachukwu or Alex Ekubo was linked to any female counterpart. Reacting to gay rumors, this is what Alex Ekubo had to say on Instagram, and I quote, "Okay, actually we are going to ignore the first paragraph. I think that is just for distractions. But if you want to read it, just pause the video. The main juice is on the second paragraph. So it says, and I read, 'Learn to live and let live. If a person wants to be gay, let them be gay in peace. Personally, I'm not, have never, and will never be. Let's allow people to be free and comfortable with their sexual preference. Stop the name calling and shaming.'" But right now, report says that Alex Ekubo and Uti Nwachukwu are no longer friends. On the other hand, Alex Ekubo is now rumored to be dating Ike Ogbonna, who is now more closer to him. Josh Too Funny. Josh Too Funny is an Instagram comedian, popularly known for dressing as a woman to sing from an upside-down hymn book. But people mistake his comic to think that the comedian is a gay. In an interview with Pulse TV, when asked about the challenges he faced because he dresses like a woman in his comedy, this is what he had to say, and I quote, "Some people think I am gay because I wear female clothing, but I'm still letting people know that this is just for comedy. Even when I perform at stage, I wear men's clothing. I usually give an example of Tyler Perry, who has been acting as Madea, a woman, for a long time, and it doesn't mean he's a homosexual." Iyabo Ojo. Iyabo Ojo is a Nigerian actress, director, and producer. In early 2011, actress Iyabo Ojo founded Sexy Pink Ladies, and they say their primary aim is to bring women together irrespective of their age or social class, to support each other and share ideas in business, health, and improve family values. But you know, Nigerians, they rumored it to be a lesbian group. Because of the rumors, Iyabo Ojo changed the name from Sexy Pink Ladies to Pinky's foundation. Iyabo Ojo debunked the rumor in an Instagram post saying, and I quote, "My foundation is not about that. Do I look like a lesbian? I'm not a lesbian. Nigerians like attaching relevant things to something. They are saying that because I am an actress and because of the name Sexy Pinkish Ladies, but it hasn't stopped me from achieving my goals. 80% of the women in the group are married with kids. I am not one who supports lesbianism and I don't have a problem with those who practice it. It's their choice, but I do not believe in it because I don't think it's normal. It's not biblical. I'm not condemning the practitioners, but to me, it's not normal." Fast forward to 2017, it seems that she has continued to be getting the allegation that she's a lesbian. In February 2017, Iyabo Ojo had shocked her PA, Gbemini, with a brand new car on her birthday, and the internet went crazy over the nice gesture. The popular Nollywood actress spoke spark on the lesbianism report once again when she threw a lavish birthday party for Gbemini in 2018. This has got some Nigeria wondering if truly the relationship between Iyabo Ojo and her PA is not out of the ordinary. Rumor has it that the two might actually be lesbians. This might be the reason why the actress is always showering her gift, something many notice that she usually doesn't do for others. Denrele Odun. Denrele is a Nigerian actor and television host. Denrele is known for his fashion style and personality. When it comes to gay rumors, Denrele is the one that is hit most with the rumor. His dressing style and lifestyle also helped to fuel the rumor even more. Denrele is known for dressing and acting like a woman. The dressing style has won him different awards and endorsements. According to him, this is his brand and what makes him Denrele. Casey. Casey is a Nigerian singer and songwriter. In 2014, Casey and Phyno was spotted closely at the Mama Nominees party in Lagos State. The picture went viral, and as usual, rumor had it that they were gay couples. Were rumors of Casey's sexual orientation taught through the cyberspace as fans wondered what really was going on between him and Phyno to be so openly affectionate at the 2014 Mama Nominees party. It turns out that Phyno was trying to whisper to Casey at the loud party but was captured in the awkward camera angle. Phyno went forward to say the matter straight on Twitter, where for the sake of his fans, he was quoted saying, "You are minding your business and they release a safe step for you. I'm too straight for this ish." He also thanked the paparazzis on Twitter and also calls the photographers on Instagram. Before the incident at Mama Nominees party with Phyno, rumors had already been speculating that Casey was gay, owing to the fact that he liked wearing colorful outfits like women and has not been linked to any female as girlfriend. Bobrisky. Bobrisky is a Nigerian internet personality and philanthropist who is known as a prominent cross-dresser in Nigeria. I really don't know what to say, but the Snapchat celebrity is strongly called gay by Nigerians due to his girly dressing. Bobrisky's affinity with girly looks started at a very young age. However, this was significant during his period in the university campus. According to reports, Bobrisky's mother, who is now late, frowned at the concept of her son turning out to be a male Barbie, but he ended up doing the exact. Bobrisky always wanted to be the girl. He likes to post different raunchy stuffs. Mostly because of this, Bobrisky is rumored to be gay by Nigerians. Timaya. Timaya is a Nigerian singer and songwriter. He was accused to be gay after publicly saying that he doesn't believe in marriage, but always seen hanging around with Jim Iyke, who was rumored to be his gay partner. He has also been associated with Burna Boy back then after a picture of him lying on Burna Boy's lap surfaced on the internet and went viral. With the picture going viral, Nigeria now rumored him to be gay. Charlie Boy. Charlie Boy is a Nigerian singer, songwriter, television presenter, publisher, producer, and one of Nigeria's most controversial entertainers. Best known for his alternative lifestyle, political view, and media production, most notably The Charlie Boy Show. His weird lifestyle contributed to his gay rumors, and also a picture of him kissing Denrele Odun increased the rumors. Benson Okonkwo. Benson Okonkwo is a Nollywood actor, model, and television personality. The Nollywood actor is rumored to be gay for several reasons. He said he's already used to people accusing him to be gay and he's tired of talking about it. Benson Okonkwo noted that playing gay roles in 3 movies in the past probably the reason why he was accused of being gay. The actor has endured public backlash over the last couple of years, particularly on the internet after he released some nudes. The actor has reacted to the insult he got from people from social media. However, in a chat with Saturday Beats, the actor blamed the situation on his being handsome. Flavour. Flavour is a Nigerian singer, songwriter, multi-instrumentalist, and performer. Flavour was rumored to be in a gay association after a picture of him posing with guys in a pool surfaced online and went viral. He was also rumored to be Peter Okoye's gay partner when they were pictured hanging together. Coupled with the way he poses on photo shoots, showing off his six-packs and sexy parts of his body. Some internet trolls also tagged him gay for winding his waist seductively in music videos. Thank you very much for having time to watch my video to the end. I have a question for you in the comment section. Which of these Nigerian celebrities that are rumored to be gay do you think are actually gay? Drop your opinion in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. Thank you very much and God bless you.
It's a boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. The boy Ejimozi.